Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the lower limb muscle series part 11. In today's video, we are going to learn about the lateral muscles of the sole of the foot. In the previous video, we discussed the central muscles of the sole of the foot. Today, we will cover the lateral muscles of the sole of the foot. Okay. So this muscle group consists of abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi brevis, opponens digiti minimi. So now let's discuss each muscle one by one detail. First muscle is abductor digiti minimi. The abductor digiti minimi is one of the lateral muscles of the sole of the foot. Okay, its gait originates from the calcaneal tuberosity and the plantar aponeurosis. Insertion: it inserts into the lateral side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the fifth toe. Then action: it abducts the fifth toe at the MTP joints and flexes the fifth toe at the MTP joints, and also it helps in supports the longitudinal arch of the foot. Then it is supplied, the nerve supply by the lateral plantar nerve, and blood supply it receives from the lateral plantar artery. The second muscle is flexor digiti minimi brevis. So it is the second muscle of the lateral compartment of the foot. It originates from the base of the fifth metatarsal bone and inserts into the base of the proximal phalanx of the fifth toe. And it flexes the fifth toe at the MTP joint, that is metatarsophalangeal joint, and get it supplied by the lateral plantar nerve, and it also receives blood from the lateral plantar artery and the arcuate artery. So next muscle is opponens digiti minimi. The opponens digiti minimi is the third muscle of the lateral compartment of the foot. So it originates from the long plantar ligament and the base of the fifth metatarsal bone and inserts along the lateral border of the fifth metatarsal bone, and it draws the fifth metatarsal laterally and slightly plantarward, okay, and helping with the movement of the little toe. It also assists in flexion of the fifth toe at the MTP joint, and innervation is supplied by the lateral plantar nerve, and blood supply it receives from the lateral plantar artery and the arcuate artery. Next part is note point, which is important of my video. So first point is all three lateral muscles of the sole of the foot, that is abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi brevis, and opponens digiti minimi. They help in flexion of the fifth toe at the MTP joints, okay, that is metatarsophalangeal joint, okay. Then point 2 is all three muscles are innervated by the lateral plantar nerve. You can remember this, all three muscles are innervated by the lateral plantar nerve. Third point is their blood supply. The blood supply mainly comes from the lateral plantar artery. Okay, some muscles also may receive branch from the arcuate artery, but remember these muscles get supplied by the lateral plantar artery. So fourth point is these three muscles are intrinsic muscles of the foot because they both originates and inserts within the foot itself. So these are the key points. So this is the end of my videos. I explained lateral muscles of the sole of the foot. So in the next video, I'll cover our next part, that is medial muscles of the sole of the foot. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt regarding to this topic, you can comment in the comment section below. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.